bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow bow. When I bow bow bow. And bitch.
Add new project. Stock videos. Then add this black. Copy it 2 times. Set the format to 9:16. Zoom it out. Adjust the first black to 2.7. The second is 1.5. Last is 1.7. Add 3 video between the first and second black clip. Then add again 3 video between the second and third clip. Then add 3 video after the black clip. Adjust the all videos to 0.4. Then zoom out the video if it doesn't fit to the format that we were set. Add audio. Extracted, then click the video that have the audio you will use. Import sounds. Now we will add transitions. Click that box to add transitions. Then click Blanch and apply to all. Click the box between the video and black clips, then remove its transition. Now this is the tutorial on good quality. Add effects. Video effect. Basic. Then add blow, then adjust the effect till the end. Add again another effect. Comic. then neon. Adjust till the end. Then export. Then back. Delete all effect. Add overlay, then add the video that we export earlier. Zoom. Click splice, then click dodge. Then adjust the opacity to 60. Click adjust. I will post the adjustment to comment section or description box later.
And I'm coming with that bow, bow, bow. Pretty bitch, I'm tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me slipping, I'ma up it when I bow, bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance.
Then export it. Thank you for watching.
It's a remix and I'm coming with that. Tryna hit her with that bow, bow, bow. Can't catch me bow, bow. And bitches dance, I throw them bands and make them dance.